what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be doing a makeup challenge. I haven't done, I feel like, a makeup challenge in like forever on my channel, and I've gotten a lot of requests lately for them, so I decided I was gonna do one. So what makeup challenge am I doing, do you ask? I am doing the color generator makeup challenge. So basically, this color generator on the internet, you tap it, it changes colors. That is gonna pick the color of every makeup item I put on my face. So I might have to do some chemistry over here, mixing some stuff. So if you're interested and you're ready for a laugh for this makeup challenge, then go ahead and keep watching. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to pull this up and I'm gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna tap it. I'm gonna obviously tell you what makeup item I'm doing. I'm probably gonna do, I think I'm gonna do my brows first. So I'm gonna tap it. And I'm gonna be doing green brows. Okay. Woo! This is really super fun. I've actually seen plenty of people do this, and it turns out to be pretty okay. So hopefully it's not too crazy. Now, I saw one YouTuber only did it for her eyes, and then a bunch of other YouTubers did it for like their whole face. So I'm going in with a green ColourPop eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw out my green brows. I love green. I think green is so pretty. It's not too bad, not too bad. I'm hoping to get like a salmon color or something close to my skin tone for my foundation, because like I'm not trying to have to mix color with some white foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the James Charles palette with a eyebrow brush and try to get that green to be a little more realistic. Just add some powder. You can definitely see my dark hairs underneath though. It actually doesn't look terrible. These actually, they're kind of growing on me, I'm not gonna lie. I've always wanted to do colorful brows. And we're gonna keep going with our eyes. We're gonna keep going with our eyes. So I'm going to pick, I'm trying to think. I think maybe I'll do a cut crease. So I need a crease color. Ooh, red. RGB converter, by the way, is what this is. And I'm just gonna continue to use the James Charles palette that I got out for my eyebrows, just because it has like all the colors I could possibly need. My daughters have honestly destroyed this palette because they do crazy makeup all over their faces, like kind of like special effects makeup, if you will. So for the crease, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna lay this red down. Ooh, Christmas vibes. Christmas in May. This is my birthday month, by the way, if anyone was wondering. Woo! I'm turning 31. I look like I have something in my eye. Like, it looks like a disease. Oh. It's fine though, it's like a Christmas vibe. Christmas. So now that I have the top color, I'm gonna actually go in with a crease color. So that was my top color. I don't know what I'm doing here. We're doing 3 colors basically. Oh, pink. I'm gonna go in with this color. So first, before we go into that color, I have to cut my crease. So I am putting some P. Louise base, the white one, so I can cut the crease. Cut the crease. I'm just gonna go in and tap in some pink. Ooh. Really clashing with those brows though, huh? I don't mind the pink. I feel like the red is not complementing it as much as I was hoping, but we're making it work. It might be a look, we don't know. Now I remember why I didn't use this palette so much. Pink is not so good. It's kind of patchy. Alright, so we're gonna do like a liner where I would put like glitter or something there. Okay, so I gotta be careful not to touch it. So for the liner. Okay, for the liner. Is that yellow? Is it like a yellow? Does it look, it's like a yellow green, right? Oh, we'll try to figure out that color. I think I have colors kind of like that. I have like this one. Is that close? Can you guys see it? No, that's a little more green. Alright, so I don't have any liners, I think, in that color. I might have them in my individual ones, but I'm gonna use this because it seems to be the closest I have to the color that I picked. So I have my little paint palette here, and I'm just gonna put some of this right on the side. And this is the Matte and Metal by Huda. I'm gonna go in with an angled brush instead because that pointy brush was not giving me the shape I was looking for, and neither is this one. I actually really like it with the pink though. Like this color green with that pink. Ooh, definitely pretty, but That red is just like out of this world. So I'm gonna go back in with that pink and try to clean up some of this green that got out of place. So I like this as like a shadow, but when it comes to like using it as liner, it just was kind of like chunky in such a weird way. I don't know, like, do you see that? It was so weird. I couldn't get it to be as pigmented as a liner. We got the gist of it. All right, cool. So let's put our foundation on. Okay, so I'm gonna do foundation because guess what I got? How freaking sweet is that? Okay, it's kind of pale, but I have kind of pale foundation. That is a blessing. Kind of like a tan. We're going with it. That has a little more green undertones to it. What's happening? Am I almost out of this? Oh, all right, cool. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so excited. It's not even funny about this, that I was able to actually use a color foundation. And also, I don't know if I said it, but I used my Giorgio Armani foundation because that one is the closest to like that color I could find. It seems like it was definitely more olive tone. I don't own any olive tone foundations, so. Oh god. Concealer. Alright, so it's like a mustardy, tanny color. So like this is the closest I have to that. Hey, that's not bad. Okay, so that's what I got for concealer. Winning. Imagine if I had like purple or something. I don't know that that's, I think I would have went a little bit lighter if I were able to choose, but it's not the worst concealer I have, so I'm grateful. But I feel like I could have used that one for the foundation too. It was kind of close to that color. Setting powder. I'm done. No. So this stuff is, the ABH powder is super white, so I'm gonna go in with that. I can't believe I have to set with green. Oh my god, this is a little ridiculous. And then I'm gonna go in with a beauty makeup brush and just tap that yellow, because there's a lot of fallout with these colors. So basically I'm just swiveling my brush around to get that green to go into the white. Because there was no way I was just gonna straight up put this eyeshadow on my face. Like, I feel like that would not set my face. That would just make it look so bad. I don't want to do this. Changed my mind. I'm backing out of the face situation. Sticking to the eyes. So we do have a lime green situation. Alright, so I'm going to go with this brush right here. And I'm just going to go in here. Mix this up a little bit more. Oh god. No. And I'm just going to set it. It's not terrible. You can definitely see some undertone, some green undertone. For sure, you really can, but I'm telling you, it's not as bad though. I hate that brush. I think that's a highlighter brush I was just using as a powder brush. I hate it. I'm gonna go in with this one because I like this powder brush a little bit more. Or shut my fur. Oh my god. And I'm just going right over where I put the concealer. Okay, you can see it a little bit more. It is definitely a green undertone, but it is not the worst. Come on, it could have been worse. So I'm gonna go and just use the excess that's on my face to set everything else. Before we move on to the rest of our face, now that our under eyes are set, we're gonna go in with our bottom lid. It's like the same exact color. So I'm going in with that lime green color from the James Charles palette. And I do feel like if you're gonna do something fun like this, like whether it be with your friends or it be for a makeup challenge for YouTube, I definitely recommend a rainbow palette just so you have all of the options to do what you want to do. Because not having the colors would kind of put a damper on it. So I brought that green up thinking it would like, ooh, it doesn't. I hate it. It's not my best moment. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. But let's just say, if I get some fallout from the green, it's fine. Because my setting powder has green anyways. I feel like this picked like so much green. And I love green. Green is like definitely one color that I go favorite towards. But I don't know that I would like do my eyebrows green ever again. Inner corner shimmer. Green! Alright, so I have this, which is like that same green color, but in a shimmer. So I'm gonna use that. Oh, it's kind of like yellow actually. So that's fine, because what I'll do now is take a pencil brush and we'll just mix it so it's more of a green shimmer. We are just being little chemists today. Look at that. Ooh, turned to green. I feel like at this point, it's just going down the green spectrum. Like, that's all I've been getting is green, green, green. All right, what's next? All right, our bronzer. I accidentally touched it. What is that? Does it say what color it is? It's like, it looks like translucent, so it looks like it's gonna be really, really light. Kind of. It has that like pinky vibe to it. Do you guys see that? I swear this is like a brown pink. But for some reason it isn't showing up on here. Hopefully on the actual camera it's going to. So we're gonna go in with this light color and hope we can get some color out of it. Oh, good enough. Yeah, so that definitely comes off like blushy color to me and not bronzy, but what am I gonna do, right? That's probably the best I'm gonna get it to do. Do not give me green. Oh, okay. This is like a dark berry color. I could do that for blush. Okay, so this one is rosy, and that seems to be like the closest vibe I have to purple. I found one that has like that dark purple color. It's gonna be in the Pat McGrath palette. It was like one of the first two that I picked up. This is what we're working with. I have to figure out how I'm gonna get this on my face. Like a blush. Okay. I feel like I've gotten pretty lucky when it comes to the face stuff. Her stuff is pretty pigmented, so I'm just gonna... Oh, I hate this. Because it's eyeshadow, so it's not gonna blend like I want it to blend. I look like someone hit me in the face. Purple blush, not my thing, just so we're clear. Also, very patchy as a blush. That is what we're getting. Oh my god. Oh god. Highlighter. Please do like a yellow green. This is when I need a green. That is super bright pink. It's like a pinky purple. Let's see if I have that. Okay, so I have like a purple one and it's kind of cheating. I'm not gonna lie, because it looks purple, but it doesn't come off like as purple as it looks. So, but it is purple. So I didn't think it came off as purple as it did, but I think under the actual purple blush, it is like really showing up. This is about as purple as I'm getting. I don't have a highlighter that's that dark. I guess I could have done like a shimmer shadow. That's what I should have done. I hate this. It actually doesn't look terrible. It could be worse. It could be worse. Alright, I got mascara on my lid. Just ignore it. Pretend it's up there. Alright, so I'm not doing lashes today. I'm just trying... I hate it. Lipstick. I don't think I have that color. I don't have anything close. I have almost 500 lipsticks and I do not have a single one that's close to that color. So I'm using this yellow liner and then I'm gonna go over it with a gloss to give it a little bit of more color. Lord jeez. Do you think people would stare at me if I went in public like this? Oh my god. It's actually not the worst makeup look I've ever done. When I first started makeup, that was bad. So I'm gonna take a brush into like this kind of like a transition color and put that on there just to give it more of a mustardy yellow vibe. I also mixed it with a peachy color from the palette. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with like this kind of pinky-esque color and I'm gonna kind of scrape most of it off. Are you guys loving this? Are we loving it? Yes or no? If you guys want to recreate this look, that'd be cool. I'd feel better about it. But I don't blame you if you don't. Oh my god. My teeth look really white against this yellow for some reason. But I hope you liked it. I hope it made you laugh the way it's making me laugh. Because I look, like, you know that filter on TikTok? And it's like the clown filter and it does these crazy like waves of color. I feel like I'm that filter in real life. I'm not gonna lie, it's growing on me. Alright, that's it for today's makeup challenge, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it made you laugh. I do plan on doing more of these challenges. I really enjoy them. I have a lot of fun, even though it's just me in here laughing and joking by myself. So let me know what you think about this one. Is this one that was fun? Is this kind of crazy? But like I said, guys, I hope you really did get a good laugh out of this. If you did, make sure you hit that like button for me. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. I do 3 new videos every single week and you don't want to miss out on those. And as always, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!